Welcome to the Pipotoeng channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class design, features, performance, and why it might be the perfect choice for you. With its honed blend of beauty, performance, and modern technology, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class leads the midsize luxury SUV sector. Families, tech-savvy drivers, and performance fans may choose from several GLE trims and powertrains. Its blue exterior adds refinement and calm, modern and distinctive. Exterior, sleek, sculpted, and elegant. The 2026 GLE-Class has slight design changes to improve its upmarket appeal. Bright blue metallic, or twilight blue color, adds elegance and highlights the SUV's powerful lines and flowing shape. Highlights are LED headlights with starlight detailing, increased front grille width with chrome and star symbol, aerodynamic body lines and strong wheel arches, high-end chrome window trim and roof rails, 1921 alloy wheels up to trim. Sportier AMG style packages are available. The GLE's blue color makes it elegant yet accessible and road-ready. Tech and interior, digital luxury and comfort. The 2026 GLE-Class interior is luxurious and tech-forward. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and cutting-edge displays create immersion. The blue motif looks great with white, beige, or black leather interiors and customizable LED ambient lighting. Key interior features: a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and infotainment display, new MBUX infotainment with voice control, Hey Mercedes, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sunroof panorama, optional Burmester surround sound, heated, vented front seats, massage option, natural wood or aluminium trim, premium leather. The GLE's third-row seats make it ideal for families that require additional space sometimes. Powertrains, efficient and fun. The GLE has many engines tailored for economy and performance. GLE 350 to 2.0L turbocharged inline-4, 255 horsepower. GLE 450 to 3.0L turbocharged inline-6 with mild hybrid EQ boost, 375 horsepower. GLE 580 to 4.0L biturbo V8 with EQ boost, 510 horsepower. AMG GLE-53 and GLE-63S. Performance models with sport suspension. All versions include 9-speed automatic and 4-matic AWD, optional or standard. EQ Boost mild hybrid innovation improves GLE fuel economy and torque distribution throughout the range. Driver assistance, intelligent protection. Mercedes-Benz leads active safety and driver assistance. Active distance assist. The Distronic cruise control system, auto braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot aid, lane keeping aid, 360-degree camera, traffic sign recognition, evasive steering assist. Select trims provide hands-free driving. This technology gives you peace of mind whether driving in the city or on the highway. Pricing estimate. Trim, estimated USD, starting price. RWD GL 350 $62,000, GL 450, 4MATIC $69,000, GLE 580, 4MATIC $85,000, AMG GLE 53, 4MATIC Plus $92,000, AMG GLE 63S, 4MATIC Plus $120,000 plus. One last thought. The blue 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class combines performance, practicality, and elegance. The GLE excels in its class with its tech-forward interior, luxury ride, and dominating road presence. It looks great rolling up to a valet or conquering a winding mountain road in that rich, beautiful blue.